Alright, gonna go ahead and break this one apart. We're gonna try to do this one on film the best that I can get it here, just kind of as we tear this one down for the next part here. I planned on putting this on the last video, but had a little camera malfunction there as I was trying to put it in the tripod. It didn't want to cooperate, and since I don't do any type of editing or anything like that with it, it just had to make it to another video. So it is what it is. So this is kind of how I take these apart. I said before, I got my magnet. I always throw that onto my clip. Close my clips. Pull off the clips there with the transfer my magnet over to my screwdriver here. Throw them to the ground, you know, because you got to drop something every time you do something. Set those aside. Pull that off. Now your score reel will come off there. Set it to the side. Go ahead and get my clips back out. Put my magnet back on those. Spin these clips around where you can get a good grip on them. Especially on these baby ones. That's the ones I really got it for, so they don't go anywhere. But what I like about it with this is, even if it's loose, you can still see that it still stays onto that clip. So that's why I like putting that magnet on there. It really makes a difference when I'm doing this stuff. Spin around where I get a good grip. There we go again with that one. Then I go ahead and I remove my springs. Set them to the side. Then I'm going to take this arm off, set it to the side. And once again, I transfer my magnet over. To remove these screws here that go into the coil. Bring that out. And you see that magnet doesn't even have to be close. It's down at the end by the handle and still very effective, so it pretty much stays out of the way when I'm doing this whole thing. Clip can come off if it starts getting in the way, but it really hasn't proven to be too much of an issue. So that one there, you can see it still holds on there good and tight. Side, slide that off the sleeve here. This is always the fun part, getting these out here. Push up and turn. Hold my mouth a certain way. Come on. Be careful not to get it. Of course, this time this one's going to be giving me more trouble than any of them I've done. I'll come back and reset here. There we go. Out of that bottom one, flip it up and it comes out, and it should be popping right out about right now. Of course, the other time I slide them right on out of here. Videotape it now. It's gonna twist and bind on me every which way it can. There we go. All right. Just kind of have to be a little forceful, but still a little careful. As you see, nothing's wrong with it that's there. No issues with it, just other than it being dirty. Slide our other wheel up straight away. And our last arm off. So that's how it comes apart. Now I'm going to go over and get these things cleaned up, and then we'll be back to put them back together. Alright, get everything all cleaned up. Go ahead and start this reassembly process here. Get that off a little bit more. Little dirty spot there. Let me get it. Just in the corner. All right. In. That turns the right way too. Alright. Those are in. Getting the clips here. Put on. Yep. Get that middle out of the wagon. I got that on the wrong side, didn't I? Sure did. Rolled over on me, didn't see it. Gonna take them all back out now, ain't I? All right. Alright, it's in the right spot, it's in the right spot. Alright. That's why you have the clips. So don't lose these. Go. The springs put back on. All right, both springs back on. Back to my nut driver. Stuff kind of get in the way here and everything out. Let's see. Okay, those are lined up. Tighten down here, not all the way. Come back and make sure that this hole is lined up as well. Now you're going to make it snug at that point. You see, like I said, I like to have that there too, so everything is right there ready to go. All the bolts and screws. Tight. All right. There. Walking around here to where 0 is. All right. We're at 0. Come back and line these holes. Oh crap! I did that backwards, didn't I? Sure enough. Screws up, push this back in. Another grip on this. Alright. So she's in there. Grab my screws and my Phillips. Like I said, another thing right there I like with using that. Things in order. Yeah, I thought that might be a little off. Well, sit there and show all that stuff. Haven't had that happen yet. Snug them all down, not over tight, just snug. Come back through and see how she works. Working good and smooth, stepping through like it should. Well, all right, that one's knocked out, so player one has been completed. Let's work these back through here and get them put back in. Two. There's three. Check them all, they're all good. Let's see here. All right. So that set is complete. Let's Let's walk around here to the front. And let me check that. Alright, let me run that one again. Alright, got a little couple adjustments, get those in. Not exactly lined up perfectly yet. I have to work with that a little bit later. We got those cleaned up and ready to go, so player 1 is complete. Next video will be starting and getting through player 2. Thanks for watching. Keep flipping, y'all.